Hi all. It's been a while since I did an update because I actually haven't done that much. So it's been really beautiful here in the Keystone State. So I've been spending a lot of time outside, and also my 92-year-old mother, who is in good health yet. I've been blessed with that. She can still be on her own, but she's been requiring a little bit more from me. So, you know, I think I have my priorities straight. Anyway, neither here nor there. I've also actually been working on the B9 robot, the electronics for that, which I'm going to do an update on that either later today or tomorrow. Anyway, I do want to do a real quick update on the 56 Thunderbird that I had started. You can see here on the bench top that I have all the parts off the sprues. What looked to be a fairly clean kit. In fact, you know, I see it now. It's amazing what you see when you're on camera. It really, really is. Anyway, there was a lot more flash on this kit than what I initially saw before. And I just found that amazing. So I spent quite a bit of time just cleaning up all the parts. You can see I have them all off the sprues, like I said. I have some parts that this guy here, which is some sort of an air duct, I have that glued together. I got to do some cleanup on that yet. And the engine halves are also, I glued those. I can take these clamps off now. That if that glue's not set by now, it'll never be set. I glued it together like a week ago. So there's the engine halves. So a little bit of cleanup on that. I have all the dashboard parts and like the chrome valve covers and stuff in this plastic bag. Just waiting because I still think I need to strip some of the chrome off of these parts, which I'll do. Oop, I guess that bag was open because the battery just fell out. So, so anyway, like I said, I just wanted to do a real quick update. I'm not sure if I want to use the pulley set that came with this kit. It looks okay. And I did say at one point that I was gonna do this, you know, pretty much box stock. But at the same time, although I do have from Model Car Garage, I do have the single drive kit. And you know, I used this on, I don't remember what kit I built that I used one of these on, but I really like the way the engine looks after using these I call them enhancements. I did order the dual pulley kit from Model Car Garage. I just haven't received it yet. So that's that. The body actually needed a lot more work than I initially thought. I left the support ribs in it at this point, but there were some mold lines along the tops that I had to remove, and they were pretty bad actually. Worse than I thought, and I'm not sure if these are mold lines in here. I need to really look at a car, an actual car, and see whether these and I don't know if you can see this or not, whether that's a mold line, whether this is a mold line and whether that is a mold line. I kind of think it is, but at the same time, I don't want to remove it if it's supposed to be part of the body feature. So anyway, I am, like, you know, almost ready for prime. So that's where I'm at on this kit. I'm going to say it's ready for prime. I have not decided what color scheme I'm going to do it yet. Let me pop up a screen here to show you the options for the colors that this actual car came in 56. Now let me pop that color scheme up. I'll be back in a second. Hi all. So I do want to show you the different color schemes. I have not decided what color scheme I want to use yet. So what we're looking at over here is my website, and I'm going to just scroll down to work in progress, and you can see the 3 kits that I have in progress at this time. I could either click on Thunderbird to go to the photo pages, or I can just click on research because I want to go to research. I have another link here for research. And in my research page, you can see that I have some text here. I'm not going to do that, but the thing that's important to me right now is the color scheme that came from the factory in 1956 for the Thunderbird. And in this table, you can see there's 3 categories. There's a single color mode, there's the 2-tone early production, and the 2-tone late production. And according to the instructions with the Revell kit, this is an early production. So let me look at the color schemes that were available for that year. Let me make this a bigger here. So we'll be looking at this column for 2-tone, but I've also thought, well, maybe I could just do a single tone also. Again, I don't know what color scheme I want to use. I can tell you that I don't like yellow, and I'm not crazy about the tans, and I'm not crazy about coral. I'm not even crazy about the Thunderbird gray. So I'm kind of, and I hate white cars. Sorry. For those of you who love white cars, and I have some friends who really like white cars, I hate white cars. I don't mind if they're 2-tone whites, but a whole white car, not mine. So that narrows it down to either black, Fiesta red, or peacock blue if I go in a solid color. In the dual color, I already did a black and yellow when I did my my Hudson Hornet, and actually that looked really good. But again, I'm not a fan of yellow, so I'm kind of leaning toward either peacock blue and white, and these colors can be interchanged. So either the roof is blue and the body's white, or the body's blue and the roof is white, which is what I would do if I was going to do that. So I'm kind of leaning toward either black, red, or blue solid color, or black, white, blue, white, maybe red, white. So I don't know yet. I don't know what color I want to use yet. So if you guys have any ideas out there, I'd like to hear from you. And I'm not saying I'll use your suggestion, but it gives me a good idea of what people like, what other people like, I should say. So anyway, that's where I'm at. So you saw where I'm at on the build. I'm just about ready to go to prime for that, and I prime everything in gray. I use Vallejo primer. Everything in gray, no matter what color I'm going to spray on top of it. And I use water-based acrylics, so I'll be looking at either Vallejo or Tamiya or Mission models for the color, and I want to try to find a color right out of the bottle that kind of looks like these. I don't mind mixing, but I would prefer using just out of bottle. And so anyway, that's where I'm at on the T-Bird. I'm hoping to have it in paint within a week or two, because it's not going to be a difficult build. There's a really low part count to this car, so it's an easy build actually. especially since I'm pretty sure I'm going to just do out of box and don't worry about the aftermarket pulleys and belts and stuff, even though I have one on order. I could always use it in the next kit. Anyway, I'm starting to ramble as I always do. So, hey, listen, I want to thank all my subscribers. I want to thank all my visitors for watching. I don't know why we watch this stuff. I don't know why you watch my stuff. I appreciate that you do. And if you like what you see, give me that thumbs up. I really appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. It helps spread the hobby. I don't care if my videos go all over the place, but I think the hobby needs needs more publication, and I'll do my little bit here to help promote the hobby. Um, and also, I just smack that subscribe button. If you haven't already, smack that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notifications. As you can tell, I don't post a lot of videos, so you won't be bugged by me a lot. So anyway, I'm rambling again. I want to thank all of you again, and I'll see you in the next video. So bye.